Peace, fam. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. I thank all of you who have been asking me questions. I thank all of you who have purchased your credit healing packages. And I just thank all of you who are really wanting to strive to repair your credit. So today what I want to do is I want to actually discuss something that I think is very important and very dearing to many of you Americans. And that is, should you keep open or should you close your credit card account? And that's actually a very good question. What you should do is you should keep your credit card account open. Okay, if it did not go into default and go to a collection agency, what you should do is that you should keep it open. This is the reason why, because you want to be able to have that credit history, right? So you want that credit history to be there, even if you had plenty of late payments, 30 days, 60 days, 120-day late payments. If you keep that account open, then what happens is that 7 years down the line from the time that the delinquency was actually initially put on your credit report, what happens is that it gets removed, and then the positive information still stays there. So what's very, very important is that you want to be able to keep that credit history and have those payments being shown, as well as have that account being open. That's so over an extended period of time, that good history is going to continue to be shown, and then that will actually increase your credit. So even if you're tired of having credit cards, you say, hey, I want to get rid of these credit cards because it's doing me no good. There's no point in me even having these because it's bad luck. I'm going to end up using them. What you want to do is that you just want to have them, and even if you don't want to use them, don't close the account and don't get rid of them. Put it up somewhere. Hide it from yourself. Do something with it. But you want to keep it open. The best thing to do is to make small payments, and you want to stay under the 30% utilization for that particular card and also overall. But you want to be able to keep it open because that's going to be very important in terms of boosting your credit score. So do not close your account unless it's extremely necessary and extremely urgent. But you want to keep it open because that's going to help you in the future. All right. So I want to be able to answer that for you all. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at credithealing@gmail.com. But also, if you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.